Yo, what's good? Welcome to my second channel. Today I'm detailing a Cadillac Escalade, and as you can see, it's not horribly dirty. It's actually pretty clean, which is why it's on this channel and not on my main channel where I have all the disaster details. Now this detail is going to include a wash and an interior cleanup. Then we'll make these wheels look great by polishing them at the end. Now you guys might be wondering, yo, what's so exciting about this detail? Well, it's a Cadillac Escalade. It's an OG car. It's pretty cool. It's not something I get to do all the time. And unfortunately, there is no major extraction to watch on this detail, but we are going to apply some iron remover on the exterior, so that's something to look forward to. Next, I'll apply some thick foam onto this car. Then I'm going to let it sit for about 5 minutes to decontaminate the paint before I move to the washing process. Right now, I'm using a detailing brush to go over the emblems and any spots that might be missed with my wash mitt. Now with this car clean, I can see that the paint was covered with iron particles, especially around the tailgate. Now using Adam's iron remover, I'm going to spray it on the paint, letting it sit for about 5 minutes, and this is going to react and dissolve all the iron particles by turning purple, and I was surprised to see the results that we got. Now because I'm working outside and it's super sunny, I have to be super quick with the drying process to avoid any water spots, and I'm using a super soft drying towel to get the job done. Next, I'll pull out the Clean WeatherTech floor mats just to get them super clean. And I'm going to use Super Clean as a solution with a drill brush to agitate. Then I'm going to rinse clean with a pressure washer. Next, I'll move to the interior and I'm going to pick out any trash. And as you can see, the owner must really like granola bars. And if you guys eat a lot of snacks, I want you guys to comment down your favorite snack. Now using my ultra soft detailing brush, and I only use this detailing brush on super clean cars, I'm going to dust all the trims and get inside the vents and crevices. Now, using the best vacuum attachment, the claw attachment, I'm going to vacuum the carpet to remove the little bit of dirt that's trapped in the fibers. And using my Wagner steamer, I'm going to clean the trims, and the steamer is really great at deep cleaning inside the crevices because it just melts and blows away all the grime for any areas that might be hard for me to reach. Now I just want to say that it's completely fine to use a steamer on buttons and electricals and stuff like that. And as long as you're moving around and not hitting the same spot for a long time, you should be good and not cause any electrical problems. After cleaning all the leather seats with a horsehair brush, I came across a spot that was stubborn, so I'm gonna do my best to remove those little stains using a steamer. For the process of cleaning the carpet, I'm using LA's Totally Awesome Diluted 10-to-1 and the Bissell Pro extractor to get the job done. Finishing up on the inside, I'll apply some UV protectant on all the plastic, and I'm using 303 Aerospace on all the plastic trims, and this is gonna give the interior a nice matte finish. And on the seats, I'll add leather conditioner. It'll prevent dryness and cracks, and this will add moisture to the leather. Next, I'll restore the condition of these wheels by applying chrome polish onto a microfiber towel. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. And if you want to watch some disaster details, follow my main channel as I have all the best transformations on there. And again, thank you guys for tuning in. See you on the next one.